Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to add weather widget on the lock screen in your Samsung Galaxy A05s phone. So at first, if I lock my device and then double tap to unlock, then touch and hold on the lock screen. Then type your password to unlock your phone. Then you can see this interface, and from here you can customize your lock screen. Now here you can see widgets option, then just tap on widgets and then scroll all the way down, and here at the bottom you can see weather option, then just tap on weather. Now from here you can add any weather widget on the lock screen as you like. If you want to set this weather widget, just tap here and it's done. Also, if you add this weather widget, then you can check your sunrise and sunset time. Now if you tap on widgets again, and from here you can add any weather widget as you like, and it's done. Then tap on done, and that's it. You have successfully add weather widget on the lock screen. And that is how you can add weather widget on the lock screen in your Samsung Galaxy A05s phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.